Here we are at the Eisemann Center garage. We got two elevators. This one serves all of the garage levels. This one accesses the Eisemann Center lobby, but it does not access the fifth floor of the garage, so we'll check them both out. He's got some really nice bells. Wow, this cab feels air conditioned. It is very cool in here. All right, pretty boring cab. What's going up? Those are not buttons. Sometimes these are just buttons, but they're not. So there you go. I tried. Motor's a little rough. Let's see if it dings. Beautiful. Yeah, I can't see over there, but I was gonna say, clearly, we don't have an elevator up here on 5. Besides this one, I should say. He is burnt out. There we go. I wonder if they put those signs. Yep, they put those signs on every floor where they're both accessible. Interestingly enough, these buttons don't work together. See? So we'll take a ride on the other one now when it arrives. But yeah, these are on separate controllers. So if you can imagine, during an event, that's hell. These really should be able to access both floors or all of them together and be on the same controller. Oh, that had a different pitch. That's neat. So this one should have a rear door. And it does. Whoa, okay. Door operator's a little unhappy about that. Let's see. Let's see that again. Let me open these doors. Oh. Lovely. Oh, and it's quick to shut. All right. Highest we can go is 4. I mean, maybe. Oh, shit. We can indeed go to 6. So yeah, it's a problem with the internal door operator. Well, yeah, clearly. It's happening on every floor. All right, we're apparently going up, and we are. Let's see where this takes us. Oh, we needed to re-level. All right, we're somewhere. Interesting. wonder if this is available. Nope. Alright, we'll get off on one. Man, this thing keeps re-leveling. These elevators must not be running very frequently. I mean, given that COVID's happening, there's probably no events going on at the Eisemann Center. There it goes, and we're gonna go check out some glass cones.